Thank you for joining today's class. We will be doing a 12-minute Pilates workout focused on total body as well as our pelvic floor. The floor of the class will be 10 seconds on, resting in between for 20 seconds, giving yourselves a break and going at your own pace and taking water breaks in between. We're going to start with our breathing work and then continue on the mat. So we're going to inhale through our nose, exhale through our mouths. Again, inhale through our nose, exhale through our mouth. Go a little bit deeper this time. Inhale through our nose, slow and steady, filling up our lungs. Exhale through our mouths. 2 more. Inhale through our nose, exhale through our mouths. Great job. Now we are going to get on all fours. We are going to start with bird dog. So we're going to extend one arm and we're going to extend the alternating leg. And we're going to do fingernails to toe touches and then bring it back down for 10. So we're going to go 10, 9, 8. Great job. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. What we do on one side, we must do on the other, making sure our core is engaged, okay? Not sucking in, but you should feel it engaged. All right, count down from 10. 7, good job. 6, 5, 4 more. Last one. All right, from here, we're going to stay in tabletop position, flat back, extending our toes, flexing our feet. We're going to go into bear hovers. We're going to do a 10 count, rest 3 times, okay? So we're gonna go up for 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Great job. We're gonna do that again. We're gonna go up for 10. Great job. We're gonna relax. Last one. Keeping our core engaged. Two, 1. Perfect. From here, we're going to go into leg lifts. So we're going to lift our leg, shift our body forward, keeping our arms close to our bodies. We're gonna lift our legs for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 2 more. Great job. Whatever we do for one leg, we must do for the other. So we're going to keep a flat back, lift our leg out, bring our shift forward, bring our arms close to our body, and lift for 10. Great job. From there, we are going to do side planks. We are going to move to the side. Plank on the side, forearm down, heel down. We're gonna lift up into the sky and reach behind us through our bodies for 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Relax. What we do for one side, we must do for the other. Okay, so here we are going to lift up again, side plank, reach up and through. 10, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now we are going to move into our ab series. We are going to lay down in the mat. Bringing our legs to a 90-degree position. Arms behind head. And we're going to bring alternating legs down for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Give your legs a hug. We're going to do that one more time. Bring our legs up again at 90 degrees. Hands behind our head. We are going to go down for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. From here, we're going to keep our legs up and we're going to go into Pilates 100s. Bring your head up, engage your core. Legs at a 90-degree angle. We're going to pump our arms. Arms should be parallel to the ground and we're going to pump for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, you guys. Give yourselves a hug. We are going to move into some hip bridges. From here, we're going to go lift our pelvic, push our pelvic down and up for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. From here, we are going to keep ourselves up. Come now on our toes. Extend for pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Bring your legs to tabletop position. We're going to do toe taps to wrap up our pelvic floor work. We're going to go down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. One last time. 10, 9, 8. Two more. Great job. Give yourselves a hug. Take a break for water if you need it. We are going to stack our hips, back and shoulders to the back of the mat. We're going to bring our toes to the alternating tip of the mat. We're going to flex our legs, hips stacked over each other. We are going to start with back and forth. So we're going to flex our foot forward and point our toes back. Use your hand to stabilize your body. You do not want rocking. So stabilize your body, engaging your core where you shouldn't have any movement. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Last one. From here, we are going to go into up downs. Have your legs stacked over hips, feet not touching. We're going to go up hip length, hip height, and go down for 10, 8, 4, 3 more. Last one. Great job. From here, we're going to go into circles. We are going to lightly brush our feet. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep your foot flexed and engaged. One, whatever we do one way, we must do the other way. So we're going to go reverse. 10, 9, great job. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, last exercise on this side. We're going to bring our leg up and over, holding our leg down. We're going to work on our inner thigh. We're going to bring our leg, point our toe, and bring our leg up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now we're going to do circles, small circles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The other way. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Whatever we do on one side, we must do on the other. And we're going to wrap up our workout with our final leg series. Stacking our hips, back and shoulder towards the back of the mat. Bringing our toes pointed to the opposite end of the mat. Flexing our feet, hands cemented to the ground. Flexing our foot, we're going to go forward for 10. Point back. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. bring your leg stacked over your other foot. We're gonna go for up downs. We're gonna up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. We're going to do circles, lightly brushing our feet. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to go back, opposite direction. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You should feel it in your hips. Your legs should be burning. For our final exercise, we're going to lift our leg up and over, holding our leg towards us, pointing our toes. We're going to count up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. From here, we're going to do small circles. Two, one. Whatever we do on one side, we must do on the other. Last one, you guys. 2, 1. Great job. We're gonna sit up. That wraps our workout, and we're gonna get a stretch in. Ooh. Great job. Rotate our necks. Thank you for joining today. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I hope to see you soon. Bye.